Contractor Foreman versus Bluebeam. Which construction management tool is right for you? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Contractor Foreman and Bluebeam, two popular construction management tools designed to help contractors, project managers, and construction professionals manage their workflows effectively. To kick things off, we'll be looking at what is Contractor Foreman. Contractor Foreman is a comprehensive construction management software designed for small to mid-sized construction companies. It offers a wide range of tools to streamline project management, financial tracking, safety compliance, and team communication. Now, let's talk about some key features of this platform. First, project management. With this platform, you'll be able to manage tasks, schedules, and milestones. You will also be able to use their financial tracking features. So you'll be able to create invoices, cost tracking, and estimates. Also, they have a safety management feature, which allows users to track incidents, OSHA compliance, and also safety reports. And they offer internal messaging and document sharing. And on top of that, you can use their on-the-go mobile app. I would consider Contractor Foreman best for contractors and small to mid-sized construction companies looking for an affordable all-in-one management tool. Now, what is Bluebeam? Bluebeam is a PDF-based project management and markup tool commonly used in the construction and architecture industries. It helps teams collaborate on project documents, perform takeoffs, and also streamline workflows. Some standout features of Bluebeam are PDF markup. With this, you'll get advanced tools for drawing, annotating, and also editing project plans. You will also get access to their document management, so you'll be able to store and manage documents securely. You'll get real-time collaborations through Bluebeam Studio, and you'll also get access to accurate measurements and quantity takeoffs from drawing. In addition, it integrates with numerous platforms as it is compatible with CAD and also BIM or BIM software. Bluebeam I would consider best for construction and architecture professionals needing document markup and digital collaborating tools. Now, if we were to take a look at their pricing, starting with Bluebeam, as you can see right here, you can get started for as low as $260 per month, and it can go up to $440 per month. If we were to check out the pricing for Contractor Foreman, you can see right here, you can get started for free as they offer a 30-day free trial period, and their plans start off at $49 per month, as you can see right there. And if we were to check out their quarterly plan, you can see that their quarterly plan would be $99 per month, or it can go up to $312 per month. So in conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose Contractor Foreman if you're looking for a more affordable, and especially if you're a small to mid-sized company needing a comprehensive management solution. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose Bluebeam if your primary need is document editing, PDF markup, and real-time collaboration on project plans. It's perfect for architects and construction managers working with detailed drawing and blueprints. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.